Tribal Youth Council of Manipur na Governor da Tribal Community ki CHAOKHAT THOURANG Political Welfare amadi Economy ki PHIBAM PHAGATNABA YENGSINBIYU HAINA Memorandum Pisinkhre TYCM na Governor da Constitutional Amendment amadi Policy sing Tribal Development gi yenglaga Reform tongnaba wafam thamki Memorandum aduda Village Authority in Hills Areas Act 1956 established tawduna Village Authority members singi sitting allowance pinaba wafam thamki Tribal region singda chathariba road project amadi infrastructure sing athubada loisinaba amadi Directorate of Tribal Affairs and Hills Tribal Research Institute TRI amadi Manipur Tribal Development Corporation Limited MTDC da award pa lairiba staff sing hapinaba amadi 7 pay commission area pibinaba wafam singsu yauri.
Regarding this Hills Area Committee under 371 clause C, we want to recommend to President of India for amendments, because SASC, Hills Area Committee, could not run itself. It has many limitations. In finance, there is financial limitations, limitations in legislative power, executive power. So we have submitted. We pray Governor for amendment. Secondly, Village Authority Act 1956. It is 69 years old. It is old and outdated. It is not useful at all now. There is no appointment of staff, no sitting allowances. It is run by village headmen, just like a separate group. So we pray Governor for amendments and recommendations to President of India.